Finally, an 18-volt solution for corded power demands. Introducing the Brushless Motor Impact Driver, available as a kit or as a bare tool. The LXD T01 delivers runtime, power, versatility, and comfort. The MAKITA-built 3-speed brushless motor produces 1,460 inch-pounds of max torque for a range of applications. MAKITA's brushless motor technology is more efficient, so you'll get over 50% more runtime. It weighs only 3.3 pounds with an ergonomic soft grip and a built-in LED light. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection Computer Controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.